Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to replace the wiper blades in a 2005 Chevy Avalanche, and the part links is going to be in the video description. This is the one I chose to go with. It's the Trico Ultra, and the reason being that I'm replacing them is because this is how the old ones look. They're falling apart. Alright guys, let me take it out of its sleeve. You just slide up on this thing and the whole thing should open up just like so. This is what comes in the package: installation instructions, one of these brackets, which you're not going to need because we have a simple J hook. Just make sure you remove these white thingies here. There's one on each side. Sometimes they have one running through the whole blade. And then on these little covers, you're just gonna go up on it and then pull out, and they should come off. Let me show you guys how to take the old one off. Basically, you just pull. You should be able to pull on it. It's a J-hook attachment and it should come off. Or not pull, but push. You push that way, just like that. Just be careful because this will slam on your windshield. Just like that. And you want to compare them, make sure they're the same size, which they look, as you can see, identical. So that'll work. And then you want to look at your attachment on the old one. This is the attachment I have on the old one. See how that looks? And you want to compare it to the one you bought. And it's basically the same, so it should attach the same way. Alright guys, and then on this wiper blade, the side that goes up is gonna face away. So just like that, you want this that goes up to face that way, and you're gonna put it on, at least on this passenger side. I'm just gonna grab this and hook it in like that, and you should hear it click. As you heard there, it clicked. Make sure you give it a little tug, make sure it ain't going nowhere, and you should be good to go. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.